Today we're going to do 2 cute, easy and fun hairstyles for you to go back to school. Let's get started.
Hi guys, it's Marcela here. Hope you are well. We're going to start with the first option. We're going to split the hair in half and hold one of the sections. Now we're going to start by this side doing a French braid, crossing the outside strands over the middle one, and we're going to add hair from this side. Now cross this strand over the middle and add hair to the braid. Again, cross over the middle, add hair to the braid, and now from the other side cross the strand over the middle one and add hair. We're going to keep doing the same thing until we add the remaining hair. We're going to keep braiding and hold the hair with an elastic band. I'm going to go ahead to do the other side, and when we have both of the braids, we're going to go back a little bit to pull the braid and make it a little bigger. Now I'm going to roll it up and I'm going to pin it in place. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. To finish and decorate this hairstyle, I'm going to use the topsy tail. I'm going to pass a piece of ribbon from here to the other side. And we're going to make a bow. Do the same thing on this side. Here we have the final result. For the second option, we're going to grab a piece of hair from the front, split it in half, and we're going to do a fishtail braid. We're going to pass a tiny piece of hair from this side to the other one, and now from the top, pass a piece of hair to the other strand. In here we're going to do the same thing, and now from the top pass a piece of hair to the other side and add hair to the braid. Now from here pass a tiny piece of hair to the other side. We're not gonna add hair, and we're going to do it just from the top. Again, pass a tiny piece of hair to the other side without adding hair. And in here we're going to keep braiding, doing the same steps over and over again until we are in the middle of the hair at the back. In here we're going to hold the braid with an elastic and do the same thing on the other side. When we are ready, we're going to join the braids and hold them together using an elastic as well. To finish this style, I'm going to do a bow using a piece of ribbon, and we're done.
We hope you liked this video. If so, give us lots of big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you like this video. Also, make sure you follow us on all our social media, and we'll see you next week. Bye!